Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to change text style in Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to change text style in Telegram, first open up your Telegram app, and after opening the Telegram app, guys, open the chat box of the person with whom you want to change your text style while chatting. And after you have opened the chat box, guys, first you'll be required to type in the message like hello. Which type of text do you want, for example? And after typing your text, guys, select the text which you want to change your text type. So let's, for me, I'll be selecting this much. After selecting the text on which you want to change the text style, you can see the box where it says the copy paste code appearing for us, and there's a three dotted icon at the right side. Tap on that three dotted icon and all of the text style available on Telegram will be over here. You can choose any text style which you want. So let's tap on the hello. Let's just choose the hello and type on italic. So let's choose all of these and let's turn back to normal, regular. And with that being done, guys, your text style in Telegram will be changed. And there, guys, this is how to change text style in Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.